Does your car refuse to crank or stall completely while you're driving down the road? A failing transmission component could be leaving you stranded. Let us break down trouble code P0903. This specific code points to a high voltage or resistance issue in your clutch actuator electrical circuit. This applies to vehicles with semi-automatic transmissions, where the engine control module, power control module, or transmission control module automatically engages and disengages the clutches for smooth shifting. When this circuit fails, the symptoms are severe. Your engine might not crank at all, it could stall out while driving, the transmission might lock into a limp mode, or it could get completely stuck in a single gear. You will also see the transmission warning lamp or check engine light turn on. The common culprits behind this code include a defective clutch actuator, a bad sensor or solenoid, a malfunctioning clutch master cylinder, or electrical issues like damaged wiring, corroded connectors, a blown fuse, or a loose ground strap. To troubleshoot this, your first step is to visually inspect all components linked to the clutch actuator circuit. Look carefully for scraped, bare, or burnt wires, and ensure all electrical connectors are securely snapped together without any green corrosion on the pins. You should also check your vehicle manual to locate and test any fuses tied to this circuit. If the wiring and fuses look good, you are moving into advanced territory. You would need a digital multimeter to check for proper power and ground continuity, ensuring there is 0 ohms of resistance in the wiring. A common mistake people make is rushing to replace expensive parts like the actuator or control modules when the real problem is just a rubbed wire shorting out against the metal frame. If you do not have a multimeter, or if the thought of testing continuity from the transmission control module to the frame sounds overwhelming, that is exactly when you need to take your car to a certified mechanic. Ignoring a P0903 code is dangerous because driving with improper shifting will cause massive internal damage to your transmission. Address it immediately to keep your car shifting smoothly and safely.